All right, let's jump right in. Imagine having an AI that lives right on your own computer. An AI that isn't spying on you and has the power to do, well, pretty much anything you can dream up. We're talking about everything from editing your videos to acting as your own personal security analyst. Today, we're taking a deep dive into Agent Zero.
Most of us use AI chatbots all the time without even thinking about it. But have you ever stopped to wonder where that conversation actually goes? When you upload a sensitive document or ask a really personal question, your data is very often being sent off to some company server where it gets stored and analyzed. And that raises a huge question. Who's really in control of your information?
Well, this is exactly where Agent Zero just completely changes the game. See, instead of your data living on some company's server farm, it stays 100% local. It never, ever leaves your machine. And you can forget about a limited set of tools. Agent Zero has access to an entire Linux operating system, which gives it practically unlimited capabilities. And the best part? It's all completely under your control.
So here's our game plan for today. We'll kick things off by looking at what makes this a totally new kind of AI. Then we're going to see it in action as a creative assistant, a security analyst, and a business consultant. And finally, we'll wrap it all up by looking at why the future of AI is, you guessed it, local.
First up, what really makes Agent Zero so different from everything else out there? Well, it all comes down to this incredible combination of immense power, total privacy, and rock-solid safety.
So what's the secret sauce here? Well, Agent Zero is an open-source AI that runs inside something called a Docker container right on your computer. Now, just think of this container as a secure, isolated little sandbox. It gives the AI a full-blown operating system to play with, so it can install software and run complex commands, but it's completely walled off from your actual computer. You get all the power with absolutely none of the risk.
And getting started is surprisingly simple. You just install Docker Desktop, which is free for personal use, by the way, pull the official Agent Zero image, and then run it. From there, you just open your web browser and boom, you have your very own private, super powerful AI ready and waiting.
Okay, now for the really fun part. Let's see what this thing can actually do. First, let's check out how it can become your personal creative assistant, automating tasks that would normally take you forever.
Just take a look at this prompt. If you've ever had to do this by hand, you know it is a tedious 10-minute job in Photoshop. You got to open the file, hide layers, export, and then do it all over again for every single one. With Agent Zero, you just upload the file, type one simple sentence, and literally seconds later, you have a folder jam-packed with ready-to-use PNGs.
Or how about video? Maybe you've got this massive 4K video file that you need to shrink down for the web. Well, instead of firing up something like Adobe Premiere, you can just hand the file over to Agent Zero with this one simple command.
And the result is just incredible. The AI re-rendered the video down to 1080p in just a couple of minutes. But the real story here is the file size. Look at that, from nearly 2 gigabytes all the way down to just 200 megabytes. That is a 90% reduction, all handled automatically by a single command.
Okay, let's shift gears and see how this thing handles something even more complex. Agent Zero can also act as your personal security analyst. But just a quick reminder, these tools are incredibly powerful, so you should always use them ethically and legally.
What's really fascinating here is the process. When you ask it to crack a password, it doesn't just guess randomly. No, it thinks like a security pro. It actually installs the right tools, then it tries a dictionary attack with common words, and then follows that up with a brute force attack, trying all the combinations. It just works systematically until it finds the password. In this case, Summer 24.
It can also perform reconnaissance. So here, it was asked to find all the subdomains for a test website, which is a task that normally requires specialized knowledge and tools. Agent Zero nailed it with just a single prompt, identifying every single live subdomain in an instant.
Now, that same combination of power and privacy makes it an incredible business tool. You can feed it sensitive financial data or even your company's proprietary code without ever having to worry about that information leaving your control.
For example, it was given a 24-page PDF bank statement. I mean, a document just filled with hundreds and hundreds of transactions. It analyzed the entire thing and spit out this beautiful categorized breakdown of expenses. A task that would take a human hours was done in just minutes.
Okay, now get ready for this. The total cost to run all the complex tasks we've just seen, the Photoshop extraction, the video rendering, the password crack, the bank statement analysis, which, by the way, would easily take over 20 hours of manual work, came out to just $4.70.
That is the kind of leverage we're talking about here.
And this analytical power extends to software development too. You can ask it to not just write code for you, but to actually benchmark it. In this example, it was asked to write the same function 3 different ways, run each one 100,000 times, and then report back on which one was the most efficient.
And here are the results. It didn't just give an opinion. It provided cold, hard data. It found that the loop was 75 times slower than the best version, and the recursive approach was a staggering 14,000 times slower.
Yeah, let that sink in for a second. 14,000 times slower. This isn't just some small optimization. This is the kind of critical insight that can prevent massive bottlenecks in big applications, and it was discovered automatically by the AI.
So what does this all mean? What's the big takeaway here? We are looking at a fundamental shift. The future of powerful, personalized AI, it's not in the cloud. It's right here, on our own machines.
So the vision for the future starts to become really clear. It's a future where you have total privacy. It's a future where your AI's power isn't artificially limited by some company. And it's a future where you are not reliant on big tech. You own your tools and you control your data. That right there is the paradigm shift.
This quote from the source material really just hits the nail on the head. We're at a point now where the biggest advantage isn't just going to come from using AI, but from using these next-generation agents that can actively do things for you.
And that leaves us with one final thought. If you had an assistant that was completely private, completely secure, and capable of tackling almost any digital task you could possibly imagine, what would be the very first thing you'd ask it to do?